In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio from NotebookLM. If you've been exploring NotebookLM and want to save an audio overview for offline listening or sharing, this walkthrough will take you from opening the site to getting the file on your computer. Start by opening your browser and searching for NotebookLM on Google. On the results page, click the official listing titled Google Notebook LM, our AI research tool and thinking partner. That will take you to the homepage. From there, select Try Notebook LM to open the app. Once you're in, you'll see your projects. Click an existing notebook you want to work with. Selecting the right notebook matters because the audio is generated from the sources and notes inside that notebook. Whatever is included there informs the summary you'll hear. Inside the notebook, look for the audio overview section. If you don't already have an audio overview for this notebook, click Audio Overview to begin setting one up. Notebook LM lets you tailor what you're about to generate so the final audio fits your needs. Begin by customizing the audio overview. First, choose the format. This determines how the audio will be structured and presented, so pick the style that best suits your audience. Next, choose the language so the narration is produced in the language you prefer. Finally, choose the length. Shorter lengths are great for quick recaps, while longer options provide more detail and context. Aim for the shortest length that still covers your key points to keep it engaging. When your settings look right, click Generate. Notebook LM will analyze the notebook and compose the audio based on the format, language, and length you selected. Give it a moment to process. Larger notebooks or longer lengths may take a bit more time. You'll see the finished audio overview appear when it's ready. When the audio overview appears, look for the three dots menu on that item, usually at the upper right corner of the audio card. Click the three dots to reveal more options, then click Download. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads location. Depending on your setup, you may be asked where to save it, or it may download automatically. Most browsers will save it as a standard audio file, such as an MP3. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's downloads list or your system's downloads folder. If the first version doesn't sound the way you hoped, simply return to the audio overview settings, adjust the format, switch the language, or tweak the length, and click Generate again. And that's it. You searched for Notebook LM, opened your notebook, customized the audio overview, generated it, and downloaded the final audio.